Hello everybody. It's your number one automotive detailing products and supplies expert, Drew Royal Knight. And I'm here to remind you just how important it is to always have your Xquisite Shine professional 7-piece automotive detailing system on hand at all times. The summertime is here and all of your automotives are going to take a beating from the sun and the summer weather elements. You're going to want to keep them clean, shining, and always looking their best. You can always call a professional auto detailer, but that will cost you hundreds of dollars. And despite those lovely auto cleaning videos that they post online, 90% of them do half-ass jobs. But with our Xquisite Shine professional 7-piece automotive detailing system, you will always keep your rides, car show clean. Our system has been tried, tested, and proven for well over a decade, and it's time that you have yours today. For only $88.88, you will get everything you need to keep all of your automotives detailed professionally. Your purchase even comes with a products and system training session from our Xquisite Shine team. Today is the day. Don't delay. Order your Xquisite Shine professional 7-piece automotive detailing system right now. Call us at 901-808-1604, 24 hours to place your orders or ask questions. A sales representative is on duty. The most proficient, efficient, and powerful system to effectively clean your automotives. Order today. 901-808-1604.